guys, it's me Lizzy. So today I'm going to make another cloud slime video part 2. So this is my first cloud slime. There, it's a fail. So watch my video if you already did good. And this is my second time making cloud slime. There, it's kind of drizzly. See? It's not fail. So I'm just gonna use today is just 3 ingredients, which is white glue, instant snow, borax, my activator. So let's get started. hope you liked this video, and if you did, press that like button below. And if you did subscribe yet, press this logo and you're already subscribed. If you're already subscribed, good. Okay, so here's my white cloud slime. There, it's already drizzly, not like my first cloud slime. And this video took me like 2 to 3 hours, 2.5 hours, because my stand is broken. It keep on falling, see? So I just use a normal one today. And comment down below what next type of slime am I going to make. I think I'm going to make a crunchy slime, because I'm gonna make a crunchy slime I think next week, because I ordered in Shopee foam balls and it's already delivered. I'm just gonna make a next video, so comment down below what next video am I going to make, and comment down below if you want this a giveaway. And sorry about the sounds because the road is near. So here's my stand today. It just fall. So thank you for watching. Bye.